Hi guys, it's Stevie from Planner Cookie Mama. Today I'm going to be decorating my Happy Planner from the week of the 10th through to the 16th of September, and I am going to be using this Celebrate Life kit from One Crafty Country Girl. So these are your full decorative boxes, and then you have your half and quarter boxes here, as well as some bill dues, your date covers and a marquee. And then here you've got your day covers, your weekly trackers, your weekly to-dos and your hydrate sticker. Your to-dos, today's little things, and then all the littles that go along with that. You've got your washi, and you also have your check flags and some deco and the weekend banner as well. So what I'm going to do first, as always, is take out the pages. Whoops, I've taken out two pages there. Take out the pages because it does make it easier. Okie doke. Okay, so I'm going to use this. Now this is thicker washi up the top here, so it does actually cover up some of the box, but that doesn't matter because you'll see why once I've finished here. Right guys, so that is me finished. So as you can see, I have used about half of the kit from One Crafty Country Girl, and I've added in a couple of Happy Cutie Studio stickers and one from the Mambi Mum Mini Value Pack as well. So if you would like this kit, you can get it on the One Crafty Country Girl website, and you can use my code Stevie10 and you can get 10% off of your order. And if you mention my name as well, you will also get an exclusive sampler from One Crafty Country Girl. So as always guys, I will leave all my links in the description down below, and until next time, happy planning. Bye!